Hello and welcome to issue 106 of 3D Create and Print. In this issue we've got wide fitness tip, a knife for cutting with, the plastic with, and some tweezers by the looks of it. 3D printing helping people with disabilities. So we've got the usual web access code 170350. Need assistance for anyone with disability or additional needs. 3D printing provides the ideal solution for creating custom design devices that makes daily life easier. Looks like some sort of walking device, hands-free walker. The Hibbert made by mechanical robots helps people with cerebral palsy to walk and provide physical therapy. Some sort of walker helps a little boy walk properly. Some sort of mechanical hand there. A superb prosthetic hand, one of thousands provided worldwide volunteer community e-cable. Here a 6-year-old French boy, Maxime, born without a right hand, explores his prosthetic. Assistant equipment is any piece of kit, ranging from a wheelchair to specialised kitchen utensils. What is intended to make life easy for people with a disability. Unfortunately, a lot of mass-produced equipment is poorly suited to people's unique needs. An American design guru, Don Norman, puts it, "It's still amazing to me how badly things are designed for everyday folk, let alone people who have difficulty navigating the world, who have only one arm, will crack open an egg, button a shirt, or work in the kitchen appliance." And why, he adds, why are there so many aids so ugly? Paralympics athletics deserve to have the very best equipment. I've seen those in the Olympic Games, and the special designed wheelchairs so they can race with. 3D printed custom design devices make daily life easier. And the Success Technology Challenge winning entry was a mouth-operated computer mouse by Tom Will above. They've got a cup, got something to hold with my phone with, something you can nail it with, some sort of door handle, more aided 3 Hibbot, designed by mechanical robots. The Hibbot is a hands-free walker for cerebral palsy sufferers, containing 3D printed parts. It's provided both mobility and physical therapy for the user. This is really the best one, but the Ability Mate, an Australian outfit designs and print a wide range of products with a focus on custom wheelchair toggles. So basically that little joystick for the wheelchair. Number 1 was the Lucas Pagani looser, simple but clever designs is manufacturing, includes a hand grip for cups, keys, cutlery, writing implements and cell phones. To make it easy to pick up cups and things and open up bottles. Designed to creating simple helpers. Many factors can help affect the quality of 3D print. Better nozzle templates and layers of height are just a few. Making the use of simpler helper objects can help you to avoid some common problems such as curling corners, dropping edges and collapsing prints. The following steps contain examples of simple helpers objects that you can easily create and manufacture add to your design. These will help print more successfully without lifting, sagging or collapsing. In this image above you can see examples of wrapping the corners of the curling and spoiling the final look of the print. Right. You can see it's not completely flat. Again using SketchUp. Just basically showing you how to make things better. Vector 3 widening tip and finishing tool. For the wide tip to the heated finishing tool based unit to make, modify and tidy up large holes in your 3D print. So again we've got what tips, we've got macro remover tip issue 92, pointer tip issue 93, tube tip issue 95, sharp tapered tip issue 96, straight edge tip issue 99, angled referring tip issue 103, long cylinder tip issue 105. So that's the cutting blade. Got the wide tip and the tweezers. And with the cutting blade, don't you can quite see it's got little grooves in it, so once the blade starts getting a bit blunt you can snap it off and then the next blade will be nice and sharp. That's how they seem to do them these days. And I'll be putting this into my little little pouch that I've got here. This mushroom, this little toadstool will help you with this issue's 3D software. My battery's about to go, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Standing heart, a little dragon, these design files, using the widening tip and finishing tool, that's on the brushes, using the cutting blade, using long tweed noodles, just showing you how to use it. I'm doing this very quickly because my battery's about to run out. And use a set of files. So So thanks for watching. So this is it. Build your own 3D printer, 3D create and print, issue 106. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next issue. Thanks. Bye.